Get ready to embark on an exciting virtual journey to discover student accommodation that's more luxurious than you could have ever imagined. Nestled in one of the safest boroughs at the very heart of Kingston Town Center, Tribu Kingston invites you to experience a selection of modern and stylish studio apartments. Each of these apartments comes fully furnished, featuring a comfy bed with ample storage, a dedicated study space, and a spotless ensuite bathroom. And you'll also have your own private open-plan kitchenette, complete with all essentials. On weekends, relax on the rooftop terrace, taking in picturesque views over Kingston, or join your friends in the private dining room and large communal kitchen, ideal for hosting your very own Come Dine With Me. And for a touch of luxury, head downstairs to the private cinema where you can unwind in style while watching a film on the impressive 130-inch widescreen TV. As for location, you'll only be a quick 12-minute walk from Kingston University, and thanks to the nearby Fairfield bus station, getting around the neighborhood is a breeze. Crave mouth-watering chicken wings at Wingstop. The options are right at your fingertips. To begin creating unforgettable memories during your student years, visit amberstudent.com to book your stay. And as the saying goes, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.